Hey everyone. So if you want to get real-time updates and important notifications directly through Telegram, it's called the Aurum Notifications channel. All you got to do is turn it on in your back office. And the way to do that is you come up here to settings on the bottom left and then come over here to notifications. And then this will most likely say off. All you got to do is click it on and then you will provide a code, and then that code over on your Telegram app will look like this. So your confirmation code, then I took that code, I copied it, copy selected text, and then just come over here. There will be a little area when you turn that on to put the code in. And then going back to the Telegram, boom, you can see that I got some notifications. A user started trading session on the Zoo Spot. A new user is registered on team level 4. And that's how that looks. So yeah, it's pretty convenient if you're on Telegram. So again, under settings, come over here, past profile, past security, straight over to notifications, and bam, there she be.